Hi there and welcome to the Ingles table. Today we're whipping up something delicious in the kitchen. Join me as I show you how to make my garden slaw. First thing we're going to do is make the dressing. Alright, so what I like to do is make my dressing in the bottom of the bowl rather than dirtying up another bowl. Here we go. We're going to put some mustard on the bottom, and then we're going to add some apple cider vinegar. We're going to add some honey. And then we're going to add some olive oil. We're going to drizzle that in while we're whisking it. So we'll whisk this together, whisk in some olive oil till we get a nice emulsion going. And then we're going to add all our coleslaw, or garden slaw ingredients. So you go get a bag of the broccoli slaw in the produce department, add that. You get a bag of the julienne carrots, you add some of that. I took a little bit of purple cabbage and shredded it. And then I took some Granny Smith apple and cut that into julienne pieces. And I also took some green onions and I cut them lengthwise to match everything else. I've got this great bowl that my friends brought me back from South Africa. So I like to use that. I think it's great with all these colors. And we coat all of the vegetables like so. You can add salt and pepper to taste. And then I like to take some chopped walnuts and add that to the dish. Toss it again, and you're ready to go. It's ready to plate up. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. And find us online at ingles-markets.com. We'll see you next time.